How would you like 241,000 Steam points for just subscribing and commenting below? Easy, right? I have 241,491 Steam points. I've been a member of Steam for over 17 years and barely used any of them. And I thought the other day, well, someone may as well get use out of these. And I did think about just giving a certain number to everyone that had liked and subscribed and so on. And then I thought, no, it would be actually cooler just to do a draw where I just randomly pick someone and then give that person all of them. So here's your chance. Here's your chance to get 241,000 plus Steam points. And I got a few more games to redeem as they're coming out this month. So it'd be more than 241,000 something or other. So all you need to do is like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment with your Steam name. Feel free, if you want, to follow me on PlayStation or Xbox. PlayStation, my name is, my ID is Stu Wisson. On Xbox, it's Stu2469. Stu Wisson is spelled STUWHISSON. You can see it in the description and also in the text on the screen here. So, in about 10 days, I will randomly select someone on screen. I'll record it, and then you'll see. And if you're that person, I will message you and say, hey, you won. What, I'm going to transfer them. So make sure you enter the correct Steam name, because you don't want them being sent to some Joe Blogs down the road. There we go. It's a simple bribe for me to get a bit of extra exposure. And you get the possibility of getting some incredible amount of Steam points that I've gained over 17 years. Couldn't be easier, right? I'll do the draw in about 10 days or so. I'll let a good number build up just to make it a bit more fair. And yeah, don't forget to share the video as well. Tell your friends. Could be exciting. Either way, like, subscribe, and do the other things too. Cheers.